How to fix WhatsApp call problem. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp call problem in less than 1 minute. All what you have to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps, open the apps, and now you have to wait a few seconds. It will start loading the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll like this until you find WhatsApp and then click on it. Now this is the app informations page. As you can see, all what you have to do on this page is click on this option to stop running the app, and then click on the permissions. Make sure that all the permissions are enabled, especially the call logs and the phone permission. Go back, click on data usage, make sure also everything is enabled right here. Click on back to the home, open the Play Store or the App Store. If you have iPhone, search for WhatsApp and make sure to update it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.